Question number 3. In 5 kg of urea, right? That is CO, NH2 whole twice. Quantity of nitrogen given to soil, right? So molecular mass of urea, molecular mass of urea is equal to 12 plus 16 plus 2 into 14 plus 4 into 1. So how much it is? 28. 28 plus 28 plus 4. It becomes 60 gram. Right? In this, ammonia is 28 gram. So percentage of ammonia is percentage of nitrogen in urea. In urea is equal to how much? 28 upon 60 into 100%. So this 0 and this 0 is cancel out. 5 times 2 becomes 10 and 3 times 2 becomes 6. Now when you multiply this, how much you are getting? 8 times 5 becomes 40. You get 4. 2 times 5 becomes 10. 40 upon 3. 143%. Percentage of nitrogen is 143%. So quantity of nitrogen, quantity of urea given by is equal to what? It is 5 kg. So we can write 5000 gram into 140 slash 3 upon 100. So you can write here 500 into 140 upon 300. You get this? Now how much it is? it becomes, so quantity of nitrogen, quantity of nitrogen given is 5 times 14 becomes 70. So it is 700. 500. Oh, sorry. It should be, sorry, 5000. So we write here 5000 into 140 upon 300. You get it? Now these two zeros are cancelled out and it is 7000. 7000 upon 3. Hmm? So 50 into 14. Oh, 140 becomes 7000 divided by 3. It is 2333.33 gram. Right. What we have done yesterday.
Mass of nitrogen in area.
No, that is so we can write it 2.33 kg. What was given yesterday? But what is your answer on yesterday? No, in your copy, man.
233.33 gram.
How it is coming? Yeah, you people are not checking. 28 into 500. It comes 14,000. And 14,000 divided by 6. It comes 2300. उसका हाँ हमने कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक कर दिया था वहाँ, राइट? सो ये हो जाएगा 14,000. 28 इंटू हाउ मच? कितना लिखा है? 28 इंटू, हाँ,
Into 500.
28 इंटू 500 जब हमने किया, so we are getting 14,000. So this is correct. Either you can do by this way, either you can do by that way. So this is 2.33 kg of, Kiki, this is how much? Around 40% है. अगर देखा जाए सो नाइट्रोजन जो है वो कितनी है, 140 डिवाइडेड बाई 3, 46 मतलब 46.7% के आसपास है। सो 5 kg में इतना होगा, है ना? 500. Yesterday we make a mistake in that question, right? Now, what question you send me today? Yes. So now we come to question number 11. Right? Should I rub this? So question number 11 is like this. Question number 11. What is that? Nitrogen gas plus hydrogen gas is giving you plus 3 is giving you ammonia gas, right? वन 1000 ग्राम ऑफ, यहाँ पे क्या है कि 1 वॉल्यूम 1 gram of nitrogen reacts with 3 grams and gives you 2 grams of ammonia, right? So it is given you 1000 gram of 1000 gram of hydrogen combines with 2000 gram of nitrogen. So how much you will get? So you know, so what quantity? So this is the limiting factor. No, this is 1 gram is consuming 3, so 2000 gram. This is a limiting factor. So we write here hydrogen, we write here nitrogen. 3 gram hydrogen combines with 1 gram of what? Nitrogen. So 1000 gram of hydrogen will combine with, that is 1000 into 1 upon 3. So 3 times 3 becomes 9. 3 times 3, 333.33 gram, right, of nitrogen will be used. So what is it is asking which one of will, if yes, which one and what will be its mass. So nitrogen remains in the system. Nitrogen remains in system, and quantity will be how much? It is 2000 minus 33.33. We take 1 from here. 10, 9, 9, 9, 9, 10. It becomes 76.6661. So it is 1666.67 gram. What is your answer?
So unreacted remains hydrogen 571.4 gram.
तो फिर उल्टा हो गया. हम्म.
नाइट्रोजन अनरिएक्टेड हो जाएगा कि सेम रहेगा?
नाइट्रोजन अनरिएक्टेड हो जाएगी ना. हमें मास निकालना है. Right. There is 14 into 2 becomes 28 gram. 28 gram nitrogen is combining with 6 gram of hydrogen and giving you how much? 2 bracket 14 plus 3 becomes, this is 34 gram and this is 34 gram ammonia is giving 34 gram of ammonia. Now here 6 gram of hydrogen. Up here we take hydrogen and if I take nitrogen and hydrogen, so 28 gram is combining with 6 gram. So 2000 gram will combine with, that is 2000 into 6 upon 28, right? So it will come 2000 into 6 divided by 28, right? This is 12,000 divided by it. It will come around 4 428.57 gram. 0.57 gram. So hydro hydrogen hydrogen remains hydrogen remains in the system in the system and is equal to 1000 minus 4028.57. It is 571. Huh? It how much? 571.43 gram. 43 gram. 71 थोड़ा बहुत अगर इधर कुछ होगा तो that can be accepted. 571.43 gram. This much of hydrogen remains in the system. So we have to not take in volume, we have to take in mass. This is stoichiometric. I basically put the Gay-Lussac's law. So I was doing with that method, so that's why it is not coming. But when we talk about with mass, so this is right. So this is how much hydrogen you are getting. 6 into 2000 becomes 12,000. 12,000 divided by 28 becomes this much. What happens? किसको? हाइड्रोजन नहीं रिमेन है. हाइड्रोजन रिमेन्स इन द सिस्टम ना, तो ये सिस्टम में बना रहेगा, ये रिएक्ट नहीं करेगा. ये तब रिएक्ट करेगा व्हेन यू इंक्रीज द क्वांटिटी ऑफ नाइट्रोजन. ठीक है ना? इट रिमेन्स इन द सिस्टम, इट विल नॉट रिएक्ट. ठीक है? Hydrogen remains in the system. It remains in the system. Getting? This is in your book, no? What next it is asking? Okay. So we write here nitrogen and ammonia. 28 gram is giving you 34 gram. Right? 28 gram of nitrogen is giving you 34 gram of ammonia. So 2000 gram 2000 gram 2000 gram will give how much? That is 34 into 2000 upon 28, right? So it becomes how much? It is 34 into 2000, 68,000 divided by 28. You know, this is coming 68,000, 68,000 divided by 28 will give you 2428 point, कितना आ रहा है?
2428.57.
2428.57 gram. What is your answer? In book, what is your answer?
2428.57.
So we get this. So this is how we get the this is ammonia formed, right? This much ammonia is formed. NH3 formed. You get it? This was question number 11.